Hello, my intensive friends. Again, sure you watched the Algebra 1B video. We are already on week 4, so let's take a look at the checklist. Very short this week, 3 things. As always, 12 topics, 120 minutes. My friends, I cannot update Alex topics grades any day except Monday. So if you didn't do last week's topics, and on Wednesday, you tell me, Miss, I did all my topics. That is awesome. I'm very happy that you made up last week's and you did this week, but I cannot update it until Monday, okay? I update pretty much all the other grades of late work. And again, it's late work. It's your fault. You should be on time. But I cannot do topics late, okay? So that was one. Yes, I explained it in this video, but guys, thank you so much for those of you that responded to the discussion 1 post. Amazing responses, super happy teacher, going into 3-day weekend, so happy. So thank you again. Sorry, let me go back. And then you guys have an assignment on Alex called week 4 assignment. So that's what I'm going to name assignments now in Alex, just to make life easier for you and for me. So if you go on to focus during week 5 and it says missing week 4 assignment, Miss, what's that? It's called the week 4 assignment on Alex. Makes life easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you guys need anything, you know you can contact me. I hope you guys have a great week.